Hello guys, you smartphone Motorola Moto G60S. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory, model XT2133. Okay, look compactation first. In compactation we have protective back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. This is all compactation. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side quad camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side power key and volume keys. Okay, and smart key. On the front side 6.8 inch display. IPS display, full HD plus resolution. Okay, turn on device. We have Android 11 right now. Open tests, Geekbench 5. This CPU test results. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G95. This octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, and these results. Single core and multi-core score. GPU test results. We have Mali G60S GPU. And look onto the benchmark results. Okay, good. Game works good. GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Okay. Diablo Immortal work on the medium graphic level. Real Racing and PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Quad 64 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixels. Let's see photos. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.